Hi, this is Jaycee, and today we'll be doing a brown burgundy makeup look, so let's get started. Alright, so first off I'll be starting with the SPF, and I'm using HEIMISH Art Glow Base.
When I watch you in the sunset, between you and I, between you and I.
And next I'll be using color correcting palette by Freedom, and I'll be correcting all my acne and pigmentation spots that I have on my face currently. Then I'm going to use a concealer, which is this shade here. Next, I'll be using the PWERFABRIC foundation by GIORGIO ARMANI onto my face, and I'm just giving it one pump like so, and just dotting it all over my face.
In the sunset, between you and I, between you and I. When I watch you in the sunset.
And then using a foundation brush, I'm just going to blend everything together.
Between you and I, between you and I. When I watch you in the sunset, between you and I, between you and I. When I watch you in the sunset, between you and I.
Next, I'll be using the GOOFPROOF Benefit eyebrow pencil onto my brows.
When I watch you in the sunset, between you and I, between you and I.
Doing my eyes, and first off I'll be using stained glass. Then I'll be using the liner brush to pick up some of this shade, Hot Mama, and I'll be tight lining my eyes.
Between you and I, between you and I. When I watch you in the sunset, between you and I, between you and I. When I watch you in the sunset, between you and I, between you and I.
I'm just smudging and lining it out, and therefore you can see it's just winked out a little, and just smudging it so that it kind of blends in with the base color. Don't forget to line the underwater line and connect it. brush to blur out all the excess fallouts under my eye. Then I'll be using my eyelash curler to curl my lashes. I'll be using TARTEIST lash paint mascara. This came in with the holiday edition palette set, so it's not the original size, I think. And it looks like this. Next, I'll be using my NYX bronzer to just do my cheekbones and just sculpt it. As usual, I'll be just using this. Next, the last step actually, it will be putting on lipstick, and I'll be using this lipstick by RIMMEL, and it's a collaboration with Kate. I think I got it like last year, and it's in this shade.
Between you and I, between you